Everyone has a basic need for a mop and bucket system, no matter what type of flooring and facilities they clean. Many factors are considered when determining what bucket system is right for you. Here at Banner Systems, we've been the premier supplier of health and hygiene solutions for hospitals, businesses, and schools for over 60 years in the New England area. As a third-generation family-owned business located in Brockton, Banner has provided cost-effective solutions for all your everyday cleaning, wellness, and safety needs. Our dedicated staff is committed to bringing our customers the highest quality products and a relationship based on trust. It has been our mission to distribute to our customers products of the highest quality. At Banner Systems, we provide a wide variety of mops, mop buckets, and cleaning supplies to make cleaning easier. Give us a call today at 1-800-242-1400 to learn more.